How do we, as a research industry, close the gap between CNS research and the communities they serve? How can we truly give CNS research volunteers a voice in their community? How can we give sponsors the opportunity to honor the subjects who participate in research studies? The mission of Project RockSTARR is to foster relationships between CNS patient volunteers, advocacy groups, treatment, clinical research sites, CROs, and sponsors to find ways to decrease the stigma associated with CNS disorders and promote clinical research as an option. If you are not involved, get involved. Volunteers are the most important link in a long chain of research players. Project RockSTARR wants to give them a voice and care options. The STARR Coalition and Verified Clinical Trials have partnered to create the infrastructure and process to allow this to happen. The idea is simple. It starts with the sponsor attaching a line item budget for each site with this intent. When a volunteer screens for a CNS study, the volunteer is given informational handouts about all advocacy groups within their community. After consent and during the screening process, every subject has the opportunity to donate a predetermined amount of money, typically ranging from $25 to $200, to a local advocacy organization of their choice. This information will be entered and tracked in Verified Clinical Trials secure database. Project RockSTARR is a great way to empower subjects to give back to their community. Project RockSTARR will help our industry in a number of ways. Volunteers learn information about advocacy groups within their area. Volunteers have access to assistance outside the clinical research trial. Volunteers feel a sense of giving back to their community. Advocacy becomes more educated on clinical research trials in their area. Advocacy benefits from the additional funding to help support local and state programming. Research sites understand the mission of advocacy and their role in the community. Advocacy, involved in evolving healthcare landscape, builds bridges between volunteers, advocacy, and clinical research. We expect Project RockSTARR to become the standard in the research industry. We strive to have CNS lead the way in giving potential CNS volunteers a voice and a choice in their community. We are here to answer any questions. For more information, email us at info@projectrockstarr.com or call us anytime at 516-998-7499.